Big question is, why Vybz Kartel don't have no clothes on and him in our boxers a run round in bathroom?
Me know them man that talk about them around the place and about them a bad man. I bleach them face and cream them in a type and bad man them bum back lad.
You know, sister, I want promo.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Keep the from Kartel, you know. Kartel get the throne. Massacre no king now, man. You can't say you're greater, you know, and you know move straight. A new world order we are taking, you know. Yeah, man, I will go get popcorn. I will go get popcorn. Hey.
Tachi just signed a big deal with Vybz Kartel to promote this Versace boxers. Go and get your one. Me dey on my way right now. I go buy my one right now. See that?
Any boy can't lead himself, can't lead a female. If you follow the follower all the time, how you gonna lead a woman? How you gonna lead yourself? How you gonna lead your youth them? Any boy can't lead themselves. A dog bed, butty boy.
The Gaza people, all of them are come on my page. All of them are come on my page, the Gaza people. The man know where I do. All of them come at about law, my man know where I do. Where I do? All of the Gaza people are coming on my page, but him know where I do. So not explain to me where I do. Here's some, him enjoy freedom. Oh. So enjoying your freedom means if you take off your clothes and come front of the internet, come wind up yourself with money for my life. If a alkaline they do that, they would have done panic, don't it? Don't talk.
But me I say, Auntie Babsy Grange, come to the front of the line. Please, may I beg you. Kishima Francis, come to the front of the line. Mr. Andrew Olness, 1 p.m., come to the front of the line. Cut and some deal with the government to accept, nothing accept. We fi go in a negotiation with value. We fi go in a the negotiating room them with value. We head for I and know so we are the biggest brand of the world. So when you talk to it correct.
Yo, wagwan my beautiful people, welcome forward to the channel. You don't know me deal with it over on my side, though. I have to big up the ones where I give thanks for life. Cause when I check it, life are the greatest. All who subscribe to the channel, leave a like on a video and definitely them thoughts in the comment section. Today in the review, my people, we have one Kevin and we have FootaHype. One Kevin come out and him justify the whole thing with Vybz Kartel. If you never know, Vybz Kartel practically make a post on him social media semi-naked, my people. Now, one Kevin and make we know say a trick will get trick because a whole promotion Vybz Kartel a do and never no agenda him a push. Cause some people are saying it's an agenda Vybz Kartel a push. My people, big up to Vybz Kartel. All of my people them who rate an artist for them craft and necessarily not the influence that them have and the things that them push out in the space. But I also big up my people them will stick to them belief and never get influenced by anything we are going in the space and even get influenced for them own opinion or them belief. Cause you don't know the thing go. Rate Vybz Kartel, but we rate Vybz Kartel for music, not necessarily things that them show out in the space and on social media. But you don't know one Kevin a big Gaza fan, so him have to come out and justify Vybz Kartel. So no one stick around and hear one Kevin of some people. And we also have FootaHype. FootaHype a bona fire upon the higher heads them in the government, my people. So no one stay tuned for that and hear what I'm have to say. So leave a like on the video, subscribe and leave in the thoughts in the comment section. Bad.
The question is, why Vybz Kartel don't have no clothes on and him in our boxers a run round in bathroom? You know, sister, I want promo. You know, sister, I want advertisement. Well, Versace and Vybz Kartel look like them sign a deal. And Versace is definitely paying big money for this. So guess what go on now? If your man don't have a Versace boxers, don't give him no pussy tonight. Make sure him go buy one Versace boxers and make sure say, Mama, you want to take it off. You understand? Yeah, man. So, now I gonna know the reason why Kartel was in his house with a boxers on, because Versace just signed a big deal with Vybz Kartel to promote this Versace boxers. Go and get your one. Me dey on my way right now. I go buy my one right now. See that? I go buy my one right now, cause any man now have a Versace boxers right now, get a pum pum tonight. A lot of man not get no pum pum tonight. Me I go get some. Me I go buy my Versace boxers right now. The question is, why Vybz Kartel?
Stop rate bounty killer. The boy can't tell me nothing. A bounty killer, I'm a general. Me can't stop rate bounty killer. Because when bounty killer in prime, bounty killer now do them something there. Me can't stop rate bounty killer. Bounty killer, I'm a general. I'm a done that in our music. I'm Movado. I do now. Busy Signal. Massacre. All of them, I never see them man don't shake it. At them man them reap me. At them man them I see them I salute them. Me not read no boy we shake up dance hall. Hey, you know how much effort it take. Hey, look at now, no pre the levels. You know how much effort it take for a man take off in clothes. Maxine, big up yourself now, Stew Peace boss, you know. You know how much effort it take for a man take off in clothes. Put on one bonnet. Take off in pants, take off in shoes, take off in jewelry. Turn on in camera, and then after that he play one song back at it, wind up himself, and then sit down and edit it, and then caption it, and then post it. You know how much effort that take? You know how much effort that take? You know, hear me just say a while ago. You know how much effort it takes for him man take off his clothes and strip himself down to underpants. You hear me just say? You know how much effort it takes for him man take off his phone and then record himself to his own song, then dance, doing look whiny, and then stop it, then edit it, take off his underpants, video him underpants. So when he take off his underpants, I'm going naked, you know, and then take off his underpants, video him underpants, and then him put all of them together and then post it. Yo, that shaky, brother. Me not care nobody wants to say, yo, that shaky. A lava, me say, a lava, a tile. Real man, no personal. A lava. I'm in a real cartel for that move because I've never do that. It's an agenda push, you know. Me never want to say it, you know. Me a burn off that is an agenda push, you know. And Cartel not be the man for a push off the agenda there, you know. And him sing the song there, you know. It's an agenda him a push, you know. That's why I break it down too, you know. It's an agenda, you know. Teacher, don't do that. Me done a war with Triple Fish already. To take him down.
Kishima Francis. Honorable Babsy Grange. Honorable Andrew Olness. Media Houses of Jamaica. Nicole, I gotta look till I drop out, because I not do that. Yeah, man, my glasses can make people see everything in front of me, nothing shaking in front of me. And I'm see things when me play people. I'm sure now. You see? Some England pound, bandana, table, patch, kangle, one tie clover, this one, something. Nothing of them fit hide, brother. We not nothing fit hide. Yeah, we not have nothing fit hide, brother. We straight in a internet world and we straight in a real life for real. You understand? So you have to understand that we not have nothing to hide. But may I say, Auntie Babsy Grange, come to the front of the line. Please, may I beg you. Kishima Francis, come to the front of the line. Mr. Andrew Olness, 1 p.m., come to the front of the line. All of the media houses, them, will get the same mission and the same propaganda order come to the front of the line. Come to the front of the line. Come to the front of the line. Now, what do you do alive? I'm say, why Jamaica in that problem here is because Jamaica don't know the value of Jamaica. Sorry, my bad. Jamaica don't know the value of Jamaica. That's why Jamaica lose its own value. When we say this one little idiot boy jump up on him social media, I chat about me an idiot and me a clown, and me say Jamaica don't know them value. Jamaica are the biggest brand in the world. Can repeat myself and say it without any mistake. Jamaica are the biggest brand in the world. Repeat it again. Jamaica is the biggest brand in the world. Me not deal with that little cupcake behavior they wanna have, that little sissy mentality they wanna have. Wanna feel like say we fi kiss people ass and some idiot fi come and treat we like we are some peasant. Jamaica the biggest brand in the world. Some deal where the government are cut and some deal where the government are accept, nothing accept. We fi go in a negotiation with value. We fi go in a the negotiating room them with value. We head for I and know say we are the biggest brand in the world. So when you talk to it correct. People who sit down in them house and not gone away can feel like Jamaica was a small thing. We're not a small thing. We are big thing. We are big thing. As a matter of fact, we are the biggest thing. First thing, Bob Marley more effective than Michael Jackson. That alone tells us that Jamaica the biggest bomb buckler thing in the world. Michael more promoted and more advertised and more loved in particular areas than Bob. Bob worldwide presence bigger than Michael Jackson. Bob Marley worldwide influence is bigger than Michael Jackson. Don't argue with me, argue in appearance. Bob Marley overall presence is bigger than Michael Jackson. Me not ask you not, tell me I tell you. And anybody want to war it can war it. The only reason why Michael sell more records than Bob and perform Super Bowl and anything there, Bob was not under any cult or any bufferment. Bob did do rebellious music. Bob did fight oppression. Bob was uplifting black people. Bob was fighting for African indigenous rights. Bob fight to unite black people. He would have never been promoted like Michael Jackson. Never. Them never would have give Bob the Pepsi advertisement. They would not do it. So we have to think about the pros and the cons, and Bob still end up to edge out everybody without the promotion, without the money, without the support of mass media across America. So why not tell me, say, oh, Michael be bigger than Bob, when Michael have all the help. Michael I get the biggest promotion them from him a 5-year-old. When 5-year-old Michael I get promoted, Bob never boss yet. Bob never knows him can play music. So no make it make sense. Bob do this without $1. Michael I get money from everywhere, Motown, all about him I get money from. I remember in Town did I make money with the Jackson 5 already. Every mainstream media in America, them time the cable not then away, internet not then away. Michael did I get mainstream media when Bob them not have no media for themselves. So how Michael be bigger than Bob? He can't bigger than Bob. No dear. Because Bob do it without the engine like what Michael did. Michael have him 4 brother them, plus him have Janet, where them get promoted to. Everything is a family thing. Bobby that do it for him own. Bob didn't have family. Bob won't have his mother Bob Ungla be mother. So how Michael be bigger than Bob? Where? When Bob do a venue with 100,000, it never make the news. When Bob sold out a stadium, it not depend on news. When Bob pull out a stadium with 150,000 people, it's not televised. When Michael go in a stadium with even 80,000 people, it's televised. It ain't every tabloid, New York Times, Europe, everywhere. Them support him straight across the board. Bob never have that. Imagine if Bob did have the engine and propel him thing like how Michael did that. Michael can't be like Bob, not there. And some people can say, you never see nobody yet. No, we dress up like Bob Marley and a dance and a... How much dread you see in the world now? How much money the locks you see in America? Europe, all over the world, and Bob did that. Michael influence not so big. Bob Marley make locks thing become style in America. Think about it. Bob can't be bigger than Michael. But Michael can't be bigger than Bob. No time. Michael is more decorated by Babylon blessings, the awards them and the sales them and the something them. But in a real life, Bob play every night more than Michael right now. Bob hotter than Michael right now. You understand what I'm saying? Right now, Bob play everywhere in our world, every night at every party. If I even early in 6 o'clock. If I even when the sun a string up, Bob have to play. Michael no must play. And multiple nights I go without playing a Michael. Whole heap of time. You understand what I'm saying? Everywhere you go in our world, Bob play every night. Bob not for playing a radio man. Bob not for doing a piola. Bob Marley play every night, everywhere in our world. Michael don't play every night, everywhere in our world. Bob a giant. Bob a giant. Bob bigger than Michael. Me not ask you. No question about it. First thing, Michael change all him color for win fans. Bob never change him color. Bob's come as he is. First, a sportsman. El Messi, that one. People wanna answer my question in a dog. Is I show speed bigger than Lionel Messi? Messi come to Jamaica. So Messi come to Jamaica, come actually play a ball in our stadium, worldwide coverage. Let me show you how disrespectful Andrew Holness, Babsy Grange, Kishima Francis, and the rest of media houses them is. Like I said this, and this is an entertainment, I'm even not going foreign. We are going to be realistic now. How many viewers does the Super Bowl garner? The Super Bowl is the biggest event on planet Earth. Televised event on planet Earth. There's no event bigger than the halftime show at Super Bowl. Bounty Killer never did on Super Bowl. Jamaican born Bounty Killer performed at the Super Bowl halftime show. Speed going in that crowd there? Speed going in that coverage there? No, me not this Kishima, you know. But them to start, know what them are saying on social media. Know what them are saying at the media house. We are going at the picking them ears. Lily Top Boss, World Cup is not bigger than Super Bowl halftime show. Super Bowl halftime show is the biggest viewed event on planet Earth. Not World Cup soccer, brother. And Super Bowl halftime show is one day. We don't talk over a period of how much games. We're talking about that one particular event. It's bigger than the World Cup viewership. So we talk about Bounty Killer, where our own band Jamaica, where perform a Super Bowl, right? Halftime. Zine, Speed not nothing bigger than that. Usain Bolt. So what you said to me, say, Speed, I do more for Jamaica than what Usain Bolt do for Jamaica. Andrew Wallace, Vybz Kartel, Kishima Francis and the other media houses. Zine, Speed do more than what Usain Bolt do for Jamaica. And that's what you try to tell me? How much years now Jamaica dominate track and field on the Olympic level? Come now. The intelligent people, them, when I talk lunatic, the intelligent people, them talk to me. How long now Jamaica dominate the Olympics? How much years? Nobody not talk. I mean alone I talk. Drill, where you talk about 10 years. Remember Marley not your old woman. Remember Herb McKinley them, Donald Quarry them. Where you talk about a long time Jamaica made the biggest impact from the Caribbean in the Olympics. Where you talk about Jamaica now one of the first football team go World Cup. Jamaica now one of the first football team go World Cup from the region here. I show Speed bigger than that. What kind of disrespect? First thing, it's a disrespect. Andrew disrespect Jamaica. Vybz Kartel disrespect Jamaica. And the media houses where I said that and I repeat that, I disrespect Jamaica. Uno will be punished for treason. Disrespectful. Out of order, yo. Out of order, Virgin. Very disrespectful. Brand Jamaica bigger than him. And bigger than what him could have ever do for Jamaica. The flag will sell the most in the world, a Jamaica flag. And United States flags come second. But there one place where they watch Jamaica football match. Congo and Jamaica play. Zin, when I hear me? Jamaica and Congo play. One African man in there come from Congo, Bridget. You know what the man said to me? The man said him come from Congo but he want Jamaica for win. So I say, oh, you want Jamaica for win? And at Congo you come from. The man said, if Jamaica win right now, they gonna sell be a flag. The man say, a flag me sell. And the most flag me sell, a Jamaica flag. The man got every football game, everything, go sell flag. How him survive in America is by selling flag. And the man say, want Congo lose and Jamaica win because he want to sell flag. Him say, Jamaica win right now. He can order about 40 cases of flag. I know it a Done. Uno tell me say that look a sprat here. The government pull out a drone team and do a presentation for him because him a got help Jamaica is a disrespect. Very, very disrespectful. I don't have no agenda. I want to know why the youth come. I want to know why I don't pay everybody and do all that. Don't try to blame it. Say brand Jamaica need help. You know what I'm trying to say? When are wicked in an election or day. Can we use them one words and kill them? In an election or day, when the campaign are gone, what was Mr. Holness one of pivot point where he used when he a campaign? Jamaica economy is one of the best now. The economy rise up. So when you tell me say the fish here can help economy, you know don't say the economy is booming already. Without him, before him even come here. So you switch your mouth now and say, him a come boom economy. Where? Him no bigger than Messi. Who if you can say Jay-Z and Beyonce come down here, come ride up and down on drunk bike and eat jerk chicken and the ark and sitting? Him bigger than Jay-Z and Beyonce put together, I never know. What we are talking about? All big idiot do and we come down and run up and down on beach. All of them televised things. What you are talking about? Jamaica is the #1 spot for superstar. Him have to catch that wave there. Him could never do a Caribbean tour without come to Jamaica. And we help him, him not help we. Make him do the Caribbean tour and not do Jamaica then. Since we are not nobody and we'll never do it and fence out Jamaica. Him no go Cuba. Him no go Haiti. Why him never skip out Jamaica too? America put sanction on Jamaica and travel ban on one bag of sitting and put in a little countries enough to travel. So why him still come here? Them say Haiti, they have the same restriction them. They look more severe than we. Cuba look more severe. But we in the mix too. So why him come here for? If you're a country and push say Jamaica not safe to come. Right? Why you come here, sir? Why you come here? You should have skipped out Jamaica too. Just go Puerto Rico and Bahamas and the rest of the place them where you go. Where America cool with. And leave Jamaica and make us see what would happen. Where you come here for? Oh, you are going to help our visibility in the world. You can't help our visibility in the world. If you got China, Jamaica, the biggest thing. If you got Thailand, Jamaica, the biggest thing. If you got Africa, Jamaica, first thing, Africa worse. Africa DJ like Jamaica, dress like Jamaica, paint our artists, them and them boss, our Bob Marley picture in every single establishment in Africa. Every restaurant, every bar, every dance, every... Oh, you see how them put up Jesus or Jamaica in a house, or Bob Marley in a people house in Africa. When they go Indonesia, Bob Marley. When they go China, Bob Marley. Thailand, Bob... What the black one I can tell me about big idiot ice show fish. Andrew, stop ramp with the country, brother. Media houses, stop spread propaganda and life on Jamaica, brother. We have the biggest music in the world. We have the biggest music in the entire world. From planet Earth, Jamaica have the biggest music. So who not come tell about him I did something for Jamaica? Jamaica did something for him. When him come to Jamaica, which way you see him go? Bob Marley Museum. You see them going to Ice Show Speed Stadium and Ice Show Speed Museum? Him have nothing? When go? Stop disrespect the country, Reggie. Stop make it look like we are the least when we are the most. I don't like that. I don't like it. And Kishima, me I watch you. You have to be careful when you say out of your mouth. Because when you say it, I am turning on this thing here. I make a highlight what you say. Don't make them program you have to say no bullshit, no foolishness. Because that way you say utter foolishness. I Show Speed can't help our economy. Reggae music help our economy. And the fact that we have the nice hotel them when the people them come, and the nice treatment and the hospitality of the people, and how the people them treat tourists, and that help economy. The music is the first distributor of the economy. Our musical effect on the world is what brings everybody to Jamaica. Then we bad with them, and how we dress, and how we wind up with putting the girl them belly when we get foreign girl, or when we go overseas, a them thing that them love. And that make every woman you see on TikTok one guy Jamaica go find a man. The amount of American woman will run away from America, live at Jamaica now, in some little lane and some little hole with some man. Them no want to see back America. Jamaican cocky sweet them.